this. I want to. You have done enough for me. You've been fetching water for me all this while. I don't want the villagers to start talking that I've bewitched you.
Of course you've bewitched me. Your love is stronger than any spell.
Obi, I know. You're a kind-hearted man. But then, I insist. I want to carry...
No, stop. I'm not complaining. What's your problem? The villagers can wail and cry all they want. I do not care. And I don't want you to care too. Let's go.
Thank you. Obi, wait. I hope you're not doing all this for me because we are not married yet.
How do you mean?
Because most men stop loving their wives. After childbirth disfigures their body.
Huh. Why would you think I will stop loving you? Because of childbirth? My love. Our love was ordained by the gods. And nothing shall stand in between that love. I love you forever. No, I will even love you more. You said that.
Okay, we need to.
I love you more. Okay?
She have to get everything good in this village. Why? She has so blinded as wicked that he cannot see how much I love him. Why? He can. Hey.
Akugo.
What? What are you doing here?
I can see you're troubled. Is there any way I could make you happy?
Okay, Zie. You still have not answered me. What are you doing here?
Akugo, don't ask me as if you don't know. I love you. My heart longs for you.
Okay, Zie. What do you want from me?
Akugo, make me happy. I want to marry you. I can take everything from you. I love you. Will you marry me?
Okay, Zie. I do not love you. I will never love you.
Akugo.
Take your proposal to willing ladies in this village.
Akugo, it is you I love. It is you I want to marry. Please.
Okay, Zie. Are you okay? Are you normal? I do not love you. Leave here, please. Let me not transfer this anger on you. Leave this place.
Akugo.
You're still here.
Akugo, you must marry me.
Ewu.
Akugo, you must love me.
Huh? Wow.
Azubike, what is it that is pursuing you?
Papa, I saw them.
You saw them?
Yes.
Wait. Where did you see them? And who did you see?
I saw the 4 women. The 4 blind women.
Which 4 blind women? You mean the messengers of Amagudate?
Yes, Mama.
Where did you see them? And who did you see them with?
I saw them at Yagwa Road. I and Obiamaka.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from that girl?
Papa, is that why you slapped me?
Oh yes. I will do worse than that. If I see you again with that idiot, I will not only slap you. Azubike, I will cut off your head.
Bam! With an ofwabo on the headless body.
Now get out of my sight! Woman, we are in trouble. Azubike seeing those 4 women with his eyes is a taboo. I don't know.
Messengers of Amagudate. Hey! Azubike.
Papa, there is something I do not understand.
What is it?
Is it bad for one to see those old witches?
Just shut up. How can you be talking like this? I forbid you to speak ill of the messengers of Amagusa deity. Huh? Do you know what you actually saw?
Speak ill? What wrong have I done? I saw them. Are they not humans?
Hey, Obiamaka, they are not ordinary human beings. You can only see them when they are on a mission.
So why are you bothered? Probably they're on a mission to somewhere and that was why we saw them.
But you don't talk about them like that.
Obiamaka, you are just a kid. You are a kid. Look, just pray that their mission does not involve any of you that saw them.
Papa, that one is their business. It is not mine at all.
Papa, what's it? Why is everyone like this?
Ask your sister. She returned to tell us that she saw the messengers of Amagu's deity. And she's speaking rubbish.
That's a bad sign, Papa.
Bad sign? How do you mean? Oh.
Someone might die in this kingdom of something.
No. I reject it. Nobody will die in my family.
Amen, no.
Not us.
You and who saw them?
Azubike and I. Yeah. We saw them along the road when we were coming back from the stream.
Sister Obiamaka, don't take this lightly. For you and Azubike to see them, there must be something wrong.
It is none of my business. I don't have any problem with them, and obviously I believe they do not have any business with me either. If there is anything attached with someone seeing them, it doesn't concern me. And I believe it doesn't concern Azubike too. So what's wrong?
He said maybe go this girl.
Mama, big rap maka. And I'm coming for the more.
I can't live and watch Obiamaka marry Azubike. No. I know Azubike loves me, but that witch has bewitched him. I will never allow that to happen. Never.
Akugo. What is troubling you?
I'm fine.
No, you are not. I just walked in here and you never noticed my presence. You were absent-minded. Ogini.
Obiamaka, I just had a brief thought over something. But I'm okay now. You are welcome, my friend.
Are you sure you are fine? Are you? Anyway, something very important brought me to your house. Please, tell me. Is there something wrong if someone sees those 4 messengers of Amagu deity? What is it?
Why are you asking me this type of question? Why?
I'm asking you because we saw them. Azubike and I saw them yesterday when we were coming back from the stream.
Abomination. Those women can't be seen anyhow. They are bad omen in this community. I hate them.
I don't understand. Bad omen how? Eh?
Obiamaka, it's a sign of something terrible that will happen. It's either someone is going to die in this community or they have a message from the gods.
I reject it. May the gods forbid. Yes. Neither Azubike or I will lose our lives. God forbid.
Obiamaka, it might not be any of you, but your relatives. Did you tell your parents?
I told them.
And what did they say?
Exactly what you just said, but I'm confused. Why? We haven't done anything wrong to them, and nothing will happen to us. Nothing.
Yes, nothing will happen to any of you. Nothing.
But my question is, why must they appear to us? Of all the people in this community, why us? Why? What I do not know, no.
One. Okay, I wasn't ready.
Okay, let's go again. All right. Yeah. Aqua draw.
It's a draw.
Chase man you. Let's go again. Oh yeah. This one na Baka. Bakare Madrid. Let's go.
Oh, my strong man. It always gladdens my heart to watch you wrestle.
Welcome.
Good afternoon. How are you?
So lovely to have you here.
Yeah.
At least to watch me train.
Yes, I'm happy to watch you train. And you?
Oh, my name. I'm here.
Oh, baby. Wow. You know, I have no doubt in my mind that you can wrestle the gods and come back victorious.
That is me. That's how stars do.
Yeah. You're a strong man.
You see, your love gladdens my heart. It gives me strength. It makes me stronger. It makes me walk with my head high, knowing full well that I can conquer any battles. Be it in the east, in the north, in the south, and in the west. Azubike will always come back stronger.
Yes, because you are a conqueror.
I am a conqueror.
Yeah.
I have the muscles to conquer.
Yes!
Oh, you are one of a kind.
And wait, I made your favorite.
You can say that again.
Yes! Hey!
Abacha
agwara nazo.
The willpower gives me the strength. Go and punch the tree. Punch the tree 30 times, then you can come and...
I'm tired though.
Before... No.
Eat.
Please, I'm sorry if I kept you waiting.
It's okay.
I also want you to forgive me if I haven't been concentrating of late. The love I have for Azubike has consumed me. Please.
Obiamaka, so you have left our friendship to suffer in the hands of an undeserving man.
Undeserving, you say? Please, Akugo, do not use such word on my man. Please.
Seriously speaking, Obiamaka,
Men are not what all the love we spoil them with. They don't deserve us.
My Azubike is different. He deserves all the good promises of love. I even promised him more if he eventually wins the wrestling contest.
What did you promise him?
My womanhood. My virginity.
Obiamaka, don't be stupid. Don't be foolish. How can you even think of losing your pride to a man you are not sure of? Don't even say that, please.
And why won't I say that? And who told you I'm not sure of my man? What is even your problem? You seem not to like Azubike. What has he done to you? Has he wronged you?
Nothing.
Then you better start liking him, because very soon he will be married to your best friend, whether you like it or not. What is all this? Please, let's go home for the meeting. Azubike. My mother asked me to come and collect axe.
Oh, okay. Just go to the backyard. It's there. No one is home.
Thank you, Train where?
Okay.
Run inside and get me back.
Who is here? Azubike. Azubike! It's me, Obiamiju.
I waited for you to bring back the axe yesterday because I wanted to use it.
I'm sorry. The axe hit my leg and that is why I couldn't bring it back.
Oh, sorry my dear. It's not serious.
Yes, it's painful.
I hope I am not interrupting anything here.
Akugo, what is that supposed to mean?
I expected Azubike to answer this question, not you.
Hey, Akugo, that was harsh. Like you heard, she got injured with the axe, so I shouldn't care.
And so, Azubike, is your house a hospital? Let her go and treat herself.
Excuse me?
Shut up!
Please, I don't have your time.
You know what I am talking about.
No, don't worry. I will do it myself. You don't have to. Stop. So when you get home, okay? Use hot water and bam. And touch your meat, okay? So, just from the edge. No. Sorry.
Don't touch it, please.
Sorry, it's okay.
Right,
It's okay.
right. Thank you.
Sorry.
Obianuju, walk normal. Stop pretending. I know who you are. I'm a Monyebu. Walk normal. Flop body.
Hey, I don't like what you just did. Do not try that next time. The axe just hit the poor girl's leg, and all you can do is to talk to her like that.
But Azubike, your house is not a hospital. So go and treat herself.
But Azubike.
You just heard what I just said. Do not come to my house to try that next time.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your...
Can I come inside? At least I came to see you.
Could it be that Akugo and Azubike is dating? If not, why would she talk to me in that manner in front of him and Azubike could not say anything? Man, cheating on your woman with her best friend. Should I run to Obiamaka now? No, it's gossip. Even at that, it doesn't affect me. Let me go to her. No, I might cause a very big problem.
Good afternoon.
Hold your greetings. I did not call you to come out here just for you to greet me. I don't need it.
Obiamaka, why are you so harsh on me? What is the problem?
Why will I not be harsh on you? When you have bluntly refused to mind your business. Now let me ask you a question. Are you aware that Azubike is my future husband?
Yes, I'm aware.
Thank you very much. Are you also aware that we will soon be getting married?
Well, that I am not aware. But what brought about all these questions?
What is bringing the question is that you have to stay away from him. Yes! Stay miles away from my man. The very next time I see you very close to him, even Meme, you will regret ever being born in this Amago. When you show him man. Nonsense. Boyfriend snatcher. Let me catch you with my husband again.
Akugo, what is it? What is wrong with you?
shouting my name like a mad dog? Are you okay?
How dare you? How dare you, Akugo?
Hey. How dare me? What did I do?
What did you tell Obiamaka?
Did she say that I told her anything?
Stop pretending because you know what I'm talking about. Of course you told her something. So what did you tell her?
I don't know what you are talking about. I didn't tell her anything.
Akugo, listen and listen very good. The next time you will gossip with my name, the next time,
stop pointing at me.
Are you mad? Are you okay? Look at this thing, no.
Akugo, did you just touch me?
No, I did not. Hey, listen. The next time you point at me, I'll break this hand of yours.
Akugo, are you mad? No, are you insane?
Hey,
you know what? I will not fight with you. Yes, but the next time you will gossip with my name in this community, Akugo, I will show you the madness in me. Nonsense, useless girl. Easy.
I have heard you, and I've been waiting for you patiently. I won't get it.
Look at her.
Hi, Akugo. I'm so sorry.
Obianoju, or again, what is it?
Mama, I will not take this. I swear I will not take it. If Akugo tries what she did to me again, I won't take it.
And what did she do to you?
She told Obiamaka that I'm going out with Azubike.
She did?
Yes, she did. And that gave Obiamaka the guts to insult me, Mama.
How come? Makana iya ade eri onye ukwu ya na abara na ya. Ode eri onye ukwu na afro ya na ya.
Mama, even you? Don't you trust me?
I trust you, my daughter. But the word does not proceed out of the mouth for nothing.
Well, she saw me at Azubike's house when I went to return the axe.
It's okay. Oh, stop crying. I will go to her house to talk to her. Oh, let's go. Smile now.
Why would she say that?
You are back.
Yes, Mama.
Welcome.
Benuja, what is it?
Your sister had a misunderstanding with Akugo.
Akugo? What is wrong with that girl? And sister, don't tell me you're crying because of Akugo. I am not crying because of her. I cannot cry because of Akugo. I can't cry because of her.
It's okay. Oh, let's go.
I told you not to come to the house. You didn't have to come.
I had to. I waited for you and you never showed up. I had to come. Wait. You're not dressed? Are you not going again?
No, I'm still going. I was still fixing my stuffs when you came.
Okay.
My love, please. You know we're still trying so hard for our parents to get used to our union. I just don't want problem at this time.
I understand you. But the most important thing is that we love each other. That is what that matters. And you know that. Please, let's talk about us. I'll miss you. I'll miss you so much.
I'm going to miss you too. I can't even stand leaving your side. Don't worry. When I come back victorious, I will come and marry you.
You will?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want from us? all this? Why do they keep appearing to us? Don't tell me to shut up! Why do they keep appearing to us whenever we're together? I don't like it. What wrong have we done? What? You are not going anywhere. You won't go for that journey again. You won't.
My love, if it's about them, do not worry. If they like, let them trespass all they want. I will go and I will come back victorious. Don't worry.
My problem with you is that you're stubborn. Whenever they appear, it signifies danger and you won't listen to me.
My name is Azubike. Achoromema. Okay? Don't worry, I'm fine. I will go and I will come back victorious.
You don't listen. You will never listen to me. I'm telling you that...
Greetings, Azubike. Obimaka, I greet you.
Hi.
Did you see them?
Did I see who?
You didn't see the 4 women?
Wait, you just passed here now. Are you trying to tell me that you didn't see no one?
No, I saw no one.
How?
We have to go. Now.
Obimaka, you're making me scared. What are you talking about?
The 4 blind women. They just passed us now. And you're saying you did see them?
But I didn't see them. But I don't want to see them. Me, I'm going.
You see what I'm talking about? Please, my love, I don't want you to go. Listen to me for once, please.
My love, what I want you to do for me right now, promise me you're going to do it. Run back home. I will go and sort things out now.
What's the meaning of that? I said I do not want you to go anywhere.
Just go back home. I'll be right back.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me.
Go,
stop.
I'm coming.
Azubike. What is wrong with you?
I'll be right back.
Azubike! 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 He wouldn't listen. He wouldn't listen to me.
I'll miss you so much.
I'll miss you too. But you have to be strong for me.
Okay?
I will go and I'll return before you know it.
Thank you, Obim. Please, one more thing. If you see anyone who seems stronger than you are, please run to the back. Do not fight anyone that is stronger than you. I don't want anything to happen. I know you're a strong man, yes. But please, I want you to come back pale and happy.
My love, I will. My name is Azubike. Nobody is stronger than Azubike. Even Great Kali.
Who is Great Kali? Kali?
Great Kali is a wrestler just like me. Ndotu John Cena. All of them, nobody can stand me.
Oh, really?
Yes, my love.
I'm so proud of you. I know you're a strong man. You always make me very proud.
Just like I'm going to make you proud again.
Azubike Njeko. The only man that makes me strong.
I am. So, you know what you do for me? Go home. And be strong for me. I'll be back before you know it.
I wish you're not going to leave me. I wish so.
My love, let me go and fight. They're waiting for me. Be strong.
Obim! Obim! I love you! Please stay away from trouble! Thoughts of my forefathers. Please, protect Azubike for me. Do not allow anything happen to him. Please. Azubike is back!
It's again. Azubike is what?
Yes, Mama.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Is that why you are excited?
Hey! Hey! Azubike, you are welcome to your father's land. Hey!
Mama Chelugodio, did any other thing happen?
Bianwoke, do you know what it means to go for a wrestling contest and come back? Do you know?
Mama, the excitement should have been if he had won. Yes.
Mama, he won, oh. Azubike won.
Hey!
Parents have thrown out a welcome party for him. Almost all the people of Amago are there.
Hey! Go and put water for me to bath. Because I am going there now. Hurry up.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, Inukura.
It's not the first to go for a war and win. Mama, sit down, let me play to your hair.
Yeah. I am so happy. Hey!
Chimo. Mama, see your water.
Will I bath here?
Are you sure this girl is okay?
Where is she even rushing to?
Mama, I've put the water. I'm going back there.
No, come here, yeah. You're going back where?
Mama, I want to go back there.
You're going nowhere. Aya, go to the kitchen. Go and prepare something for us to eat. Very fast. Are you still here?
Don't beat her now. What is it? Don't beat her. Chiruma, you are getting. Don't worry. After cooking, you will come and meet me there. I am going there too. Okay, why are you angry?
Mama, put your head to it.
Yeah, put them to one name, Missy. Okay, it will be Missy.
I'm so happy, my love. Welcome back.
I'm so happy to see you too. I'm glad I kept to my words.
Yes, you are indeed a man of your word.
I couldn't concentrate, knowing full well I left part of me.
Oh, baby.
So how were you able to survive?
It was not easy for me, but I thank the gods. I survived. Oh, baby. Oh, Tom. Oh, Tom.
I'm so happy to see you.
So happy to see you too. I miss you.
I miss you.
What's that?
Were you scared?
Yes,
I don't want to know. Don't want no one. So how is your family?
Everybody's fine. I'm so happy.
It wasn't easy, but I thank God we were able to conquer.
You wanna go?
My love.
Okay, see. You again. Eh? What are you doing in my father's compound?
Akugo, stop pushing me away. I have come to give you the bushmeat. My trap cut for you.
All this for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love you so much. You know that.
I have warned you to stop disturbing me. I do not want you or this your stupid bushmeat. Hey, listen. If I ever see you anywhere around my father's compound, I will do something that even the gods will be marveled at.
There is no problem, Akugo. You are doing this to me all because I love you.
Hey! You're living without this bushmeat. Eh?
Akugo, I brought the bushmeat for you. There is no point taking it back. You can take it. Even if you don't give me back the love I'm asking from you, you can take it.
Hey! Come. Take back your bushmeat. I don't want it. Oh, bad luck.
Akugo, I'm not taking anything.
I said, take your bushmeat.
I'm not taking it. Akugo, I'm not taking it. Akugo, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it.
Take your bushmeat.
Can't be serious. Of course I am serious, Azubike. You will be going to your grandmother's house. You will help her all through the farming season, and you will only come back here after harvest.
Okay, fine. Fine. But can I at least think if I'm going to go or not? Can I?
Azubike, the choice is not yours to make. Mbam, we have had a long talk over this.
You had a long talk without me?
Mm-hmm.
And that is why we're telling you now.
So, no, Papa, they don't do things like this. Alright? Well, I understand that it's my grandmother we are talking about here. But you can't be assuming things. You have to ask for my consent first. You seek for my consent. Because it looks like you're commanding me.
Azubike, go and prepare. You will leave first thing tomorrow morning.
Hey, Obi. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. I was doing something for my mother. I'm sorry. You don't look cheerful. I hope there's no problem. I'm sorry now. I've apologized. I'm sorry. Obi, is anything bothering you? Eh?
I'm traveling.
You're traveling? To where?
My maternal home. My grandmother needs my help at the farm.
Obim, why did you agree to go now? Other people could have gone, and not you.
I didn't want to go, but they gave me reasons to go, and I had no choice.
Babe, how can you possibly do this to me? You know I will miss you so much. A day without you seems like ages, and you want to leave me. I don't want you to go, honestly.
I'll miss you too, my love, but I won't be long. I really don't want to go, but the poor woman can do the farming herself.
You have ruined my day now. I don't want to stay without you. You know already.
Okay. What do you want me to do for you right now? Just say it to make you happy.
I do not want you to go. Even if you must go, then I'll come with you.
Really?
Yes.
Then that's brilliant. So you come with me?
Yes, I'll come with you.
There you go. Now I'm happy that you will come. I'll come back at the time I want.
Azubike, I will kill you if you try that. I am your father! Listen, how dare you make decisions ahead of me? How?
I am not making any decisions ahead of you. It's my life we are talking about here. Why are you making me feel like I have no right to make decisions? You know what? If I'm not traveling with her, I am not going again.
And that is why I say, keep quiet.
Shut up! Where's he coming from? It's coming from my mind. Leave him. I want to let you know. No OKARO. Listen, whether you like it or not, I remain your father, and you cannot make decisions ahead of me in this house.
But maybe I don't used to like OKARO. Even Mama knows. So all this OKARO is not good.
Can you hear your son? Can you hear your son?
Your son. Your son. What is it? Son, okay? Yes.
Cheer up, please.
Azubike, do you want to kill me? Please don't go. If you leave me, I will die.
My love, don't say that. You will not die. You will not die.
I am telling you that I will die. I will not survive it, Azubike.
I am not going there forever.
I cannot cope without you. Don't leave me. Please. Please.
My love, please. Please, I need to help grandmother. She's old. No one can do the farming except me. Please, I will be back before you know it.
You prefer to stay with your grandmother when I'm hurting. You want me to die? Please, not begging you.
Stop, please. Don't be like that, please. I am not going to stay there forever and ever. I'm still coming back to be with you.
My problem is that I love you too much. I can't just stay.
You think I want to leave you and go? Is that what you think?
But that's what you're telling me already, please.
My love, please.
Oh, you want to go? Oh, yeah, go. Leave me and go. Go and stay with your grandmother. Go.
Why are you doing this to us?
Azubike, I love you.
Mommy, I love you too. I love you more than you know. But I just need to go there and come back for you before you know it.
Okay, Azubike, look me in the face and tell me that you want to go. You want to leave me here and go. Tell me.
I really don't want to leave you, but I have to go. I'm helpless at this
point.
Go.
Leave me. Leave me. You're very wicked. You're very wicked. You're very, very wicked. You want to leave me here because you know I love you very much. You want to leave me and go. Go. Just go.
Please. Look at me. Look Look at me. I am going to come back for you. I won't stay long. Just 5.
Go! Just go! Go! You want to go, right? Just go! Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go. It's a far journey. I have to go there. Now, please, just go home. Go home.
Leave me alone! Go! Azubike, please don't go. Azubike, please don't go. Don't go. Why did you have to leave me? Azubike, why? Why did you have to leave me to be lonely like this? What wrong have I done to you? How have I offended you in this our relationship? Why did you have to leave me? Why? Wait, I want to climb.
No, don't.
No,
don't.
I will. I'll climb.
No.
No.
Okay.
I'll climb.
Wait. What are we going to call this love now? Love from above.
No.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Love from the Tree. Yo! Okay. All right. So.
Okay.
Let's take it easy.
Are you coming down? I don't want to go down.
It feels good in here, though.
It feels good. Very good. Okay.
Where? Okay.
Okay.
So, now we are down from the block from This is love from above. This is love from the air.
That's nice.
You are the best thing that's ever happened to me.
her. I thought Azubike is your better half. That you both can do without each other.
Of course now.
Or do you have any problem with that? Am I mad? Why will I have a problem over something that does not concern me?
Obianuju, Ilencha. What is your problem? Is it your headache? Why are you asking her that stupid question? Why? Why?
Asili, was I talking to you? Was I talking to you? I mean, if Azubike really loves her as she claims, why did he leave her and travel?
For your information, Onya Asili, he never left me. He traveled and he will certainly come back to me. You are showing me right now that you love my man. The very next time I see you very close to Azubike, I swear by the gods, I swear by this river, he doesn't love me. It is you he loves.
Bianca, it's not like that.
It is like this. If it is not like that, it's like this. Why will you poke nose into my private affairs? Why will you tell me that my man does not love me?
Obiamaka, it's obvious that Azubike does not love you. Why are you forcing yourself on him?
He does not love me. How do you know that he does not love me? Hey! Hey! Now I know that what Akugo told me about you is true. Let me get you where my man is.
Ilencha, boyfriend snatcher.
Shut up there.
People are talking, you still want to talk.
Obianuju, I can take anything from you. But you see that Ewume that you always call me? Better stop it because I won't take this very one from you again.
And I will keep calling you Ewume. Ewume. What will you do?
Obiamaka, you are my weakness, so. You see this Mbweke standing before me. I will so beat her mercilessly and drown her into this river. Ifunanya, umeki Ifunanya.
Let your hands touch me, then I will show you the madness in me. Are you mad? What is the problem? Was I talking to you? Asili, was I talking to you? Is your name Obiamaka?
Look at this riffraff. Obianuju, Ngwa. Okay, if her hand touches you, what would you do?
Let her try it now. Even you are welcome. Be my guest. Both of you are worthless before me. Try it.
you saying the gods may be responsible for the distractions?
I am not saying anything, Akugo. I'm so bitter now. What wrong have I done? I cannot be the next sorceress. This whole thing is all false. I can never be the next sorceress of this community. I cannot. I'm a young maiden. I have a life to live. A life filled with a genuine love. How can I throw all that away and be confined to the shrine for the rest of my life?